Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So as you can see here on my avatar, so I can basically select multiple hair on my Roblox character. So how we can do this one? First up, we're going to add a new tab on your Chrome, and then we're going to the search box and type here Chrome Web Store. So click this Chrome Web Store website and then go to the search bar right there at the top right and type right here BT Roblox. And here, as you can see, the extension that we need BT Roblox. So we're going to add this to your Chrome extension and you can basically pin right over here. So once done, go back to your Roblox and then from here, go to the settings icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then you're going to select the BTR settings. Now, as you can see here, the settings on BT Roblox. So basically, you can just hide ads or you can optimize some of the settings like navigation, home, profile groups, game details, item details, inventory, catalog, or as you can see the advanced option. And here, make sure that you check this avatar remove layered limits. So once done, if you're going to click this one, you're going to reload your Roblox. So from here, go to the head and body or go to avatar and then select on the head and body and select on hair. So you can basically select multiple hair on your Roblox. So that's all. That's how you basically add multiple hair on your avatar. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.